Tips and tricks. Tip for the day. Have you ever had the need to be able to look at points as a group for a particular piece of equipment? We're going to go through the process of creating a widget. So to create a widget, we're going to go up to the gear and we're going to select Create Widget. And under that creation list, there is a list of predefined widgets that you can select from. We're going to create a points list. So we're going to hit the Create button, and you'll see that the point list now shows up. We're going to call it, the widget title is going to be Air Handler 1. I like to capitalize it, AHU1 point list. This is going to refresh every 15 seconds. Now I'm going to add the objects that I want to see on the screen. So I hit the plus button and I add the number. So it's going to be from controller 100.ai1 as the first point. And I look for that in my list here, and it's going to be under the site of SETPOINT training in this case. There we go. Okay. So now I've picked the outside air temperature that is connected to Air Handler 1. I want to add another object. I go back in here, I type in the object 100.ai2. Again, I find the site, which is going to be SETPOINT training, Air Handler 2, AHU, analog input 2, which is mixed air temperature. So I go through this process and I add in all of the objects that I want to see in this list. And then I can reload this list and take a look at what I've just added and make sure it's working, which it is. Now I can hit the Create button, and I've just created this widget. Now I can add this widget to my dashboard. I can now go to the dashboard and pick out my name and say Add Widget. Now I can go find the widget that I just created, Air Handling Unit 1 point list. I select that, say Add to Dashboard, and now if I look at my dashboard, I have added that information that I just made for that widget to my dashboard, so it's readily available when I log into the system. Thank you. That's your tip and trick for today.